Namaste. Good morning from Tribhuvan International Airport, the domestic departures. It's a beautiful morning here in Kathmandu, Nepal. I'm headed to Lukla. We are going for about 45-minute flight. Domestic departures. Lukla stands at 2,200 meters above sea level. Kathmandu, we're about 1,400 meters. It's a crisp 9 degrees Celsius about right now, but when we get to Lukla, it's supposed to be sunny and about 0 degrees freezing Celsius and about 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go on our flight. Cheers. Namaste. Alright, we're here at the plane. We're about to get board on the Sinta Airways. We're flying to Lukla. Correction from earlier. Lukla's at 2,800 meters and we're going to Solo Khumbu. The route begins at 1,400 meters above sea level, continuing to Lukla at 2,800 meters above sea level, and on to Goreshep and Everest Base Camp at 5,400 meters. As we leave behind Kathmandu, the valley slowly fades beneath the wings of the small aircraft. The noise and fast pace of the city gives way to the steady rhythm of flight, and the landscape begins to open into vast layers of hills and distant horizons. This is the beginning of our journey into the great Himalayas. Ahead of us, the Himalayas begin to rise through the haze, layer after layer of snow and rock revealing themselves as we gain altitude. What first appears distant and muted slowly transforms into vast, sharp peaks stretching across the horizon. In this silence above the clouds, the scale of the mountains becomes unmistakable. Mount Everest is only 100 kilometers away from Kathmandu as the crow flies. touchdown and arrival on the tarmac of Tenzing-Hillary Airport, also known as the world's most dangerous airport. Here we will prepare for our trek to Everest Base Camp, 140 kilometers round trip, 2,800 meters to 5,400 meters and back down. Good morning from Lukla, 2,800 meters up, starting point to Base Camp Everest in the Khumbu Everest region. Good morning. It's a little cold, about -2 Celsius. I had a nice couple of cups of Himalayan Java. I think I have my motor oil. So here comes the plane. He will be arriving shortly. Get ready for some fun prop plane action. It's going to be a little loud from the propellers, but here we go. Here it comes, arriving from Kathmandu, coming up the Tibetan Plateau, rising from 1,400 kilometers or 1,400 meters to 2,800 meters here at Lukla. Very cool. And we'll be ascending up to Namche Bazaar here shortly.